Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the double tap to seek on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. If you're not signed in already, make sure to log into your account to access all the settings you'll need. Step 2. Now locate the profile picture or a placeholder icon and tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings symbol at the top right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the playback option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the double tap to seek option. Tap on it. View the various times, including 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the time to set and change the double tap to seek on YouTube instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.